In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage labels effectively in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to polish your skills, being proficient with labeling can greatly enhance your project management experience, allowing for better organization and accessibility. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the project you're working on. It's essential to know exactly which project you want to manage, as labels are a way to organize and streamline the issues within each specific project. Once you're in your desired project, the next step is to click on Issues at the top of the page. This will give you access to all the issues that have been logged within the project, providing a clear view of what you need to manage. Now, you'll need to go to the specific issue you want to label. Identifying the right issue is crucial, as labels help in categorizing and finding issues more efficiently. So make sure you're working with the correct one. Once you have your issue selected, locate the Labels field. Typically, you'll find this field in the Details section of the issue. It's designed to be straightforward, making it easy to spot once you know where to look. Next, click on the Label field. This action will activate the field and allow you to input your desired label. Start typing the label you want to create and simply press Enter. This will immediately apply the label to the issue, making it more organized and easier to retrieve in searches. If you're looking to use an existing label, Jira offers an autocomplete feature that's simple yet powerful. As you begin typing, Jira will suggest existing labels that match your input, allowing you to quickly select one without typing the whole label. This can save you time and help maintain consistency across your projects. When it comes to removing labels, the process is equally straightforward. If there's a label that no longer applies or you added by mistake, simply click the small X next to the label. This will delete the label from that particular issue, helping keep your labels relevant and tidy. Finally, to commit your changes, click anywhere outside the field. This is an important step, as it ensures the changes are saved and up to date. Once done, your issues are now neatly labeled and ready to go. Using labels effectively will make navigating Jira simpler and more productive, allowing for better project management and team coordination. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now well equipped to manage labels in Jira. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel more confident in your Jira skills. Thanks for watching and happy labeling.